We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up GBP, JPY. Let's find an area so we can find some structure in the market and let's talk about it. Okay, we're going to start off this area here. This is a nice, beautiful area that we see. So we're going to identify what's going on in this area. We're going to work with this area here and go as far as we can go. So let's see what's going on. So this identify what's going on in the market. Well, first thing we have higher highs. So we're looking for market to come at highs or at highs. And then we have area lows at the bottom here. And last but not least, we have a midpoint that's right in the middle. Okay, so let's zoom into near the highs to see what's going on. And look like we just walked right into a pattern. So let's discuss that pattern that we see in the market. Okay, so the pattern that we have in the market is we have a, let's draw it out first. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market drop down once, retest, market drop down twice, retest, drop down 3 times. Average, now we see that market working its way back up. Okay, so let's talk about that pattern up the top. So there's an overall pattern sitting right in front of us. Okay, so the pattern that we see is we received one spike up to the top, so that's the left shoulder. We received a midpoint, which is the head, and we received the right shoulder of that spike up that matches the left side. So the pattern is formed is a head and shoulders pattern. Okay, after the head and shoulders pattern, we received a retest in this area here, and that market pushed down once, market pushed down twice, market pushed down 3 times. Average cap. So after that, we see that market worked its way back up from that triple top or head and shoulders pattern that retest. So let's figure out what happened in this area here. And what we received is right in front of us, we have a W. So we already know this is average. The market pushed down average 3 times, create the area of support. You can clearly see a pattern there. And we have a pattern here. Okay, so we're going to discuss these two areas. Let's draw it out. We have a first leg, we have the second leg, we have a third leg, we have that fourth leg, W. Once we see a W, we have an idea the market's going to retest and shoot back up. The retest happened in red. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, and dropped all the way back down. Okay, so we have two patterns that happen back to back inside one another. We have a double bottom here, and we can clearly see we have a double top. So let's discuss that double top one more time. So that double top went into, pushed up once, came back down, pushed up twice, dropped back down. Retest is at this red candle here. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, including with the retest. And then let's drop it down. So let's see how many times the market dropped. Okay, let's do it. We received, let's clear this off again. Let's talk about it one more time. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg with the retest. Market push down once, retest, market push down twice, retest, market push down 3 times, retest, market push down 4, retest, cap, no more. Okay, 4 pushes to the bottom. So that means if you put that area into some type of range, we'll be able to see some type of other pattern. Okay, so we got 4 pushes to the market, 4 pushes to the bottom. So if you range this area of this high, grab that low, and it's already sitting at the low, that midpoint, so we can already see a pattern that formed itself in there. So let's circle that area and let's discuss that what's going on. So the area that we're discussing is right here. So this pattern did the same thing as it did further up, but it's just a smaller version of it, which is the, let's draw it out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up a third time, retest, market pushed up 4. Overall cap. This market is not pushing up no more after this, and we can see that market's coming back down. So before we head over to see what happened, after that fourth push, let's go back to that area that we just counted. So we have a pattern that we received. We received a left shoulder. We received a head, and we received a right shoulder, and also it came a retest. The market pushed up. So market spiked down once, market spiked down twice, market spiked down 3 times, had a retest, and we got 4 pushes to the top. Okay, then we got the head. We have this time. First time at the top we received a head and shoulders pattern. So right now we received a inverted head and shoulders pattern in this market, and then the market pushed up 4 times. And once that market pushed up 4 times, we know we put that market in the overall cap. So something should be drawing itself out in that area. So what's drawing itself out? We received 1 spike up to the top, 2 spike up to the top. So that's a double top. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest right here with this red candle. And the market pushed down once, market pushed down twice, market pushed down 3 times, and you can see that it's working its way back up. So already exhaustion is 4, average is 3. So we got that 3 average right here. So we can clearly see that market was trying to form something. So it looked like it was trying to do a W at first. So we got that first leg, got that second leg, got that third leg, got that fourth leg, got that retest, and that market was trying to shoot up, but it didn't. It turned back down. So it became a overall market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, and the market dropped, retest again, and dropped further down. So that means that we have a spike here. Hold on. We have 1 spike here. No, that's 2 spikes. Excuse me. So there's like 4 pushes to the top. Let's go back over. We just do that one more time. We on the opposite end looking for sales. So that market pushed up once, came back to retest. Market pushed up twice, came back to retest. Market pushed up a third time, came back to retest. Market pushed up 4, came back to retest. So I made a mistake. We had 4 pushes to the top in that area consolidation. Got the retest, and let's see how many times the market dropped down. Market dropped down once, retest. Market dropped down twice, retest. Market dropped down 3 times, retest. And now we can see that market's working its way back up. So very important information, guys. Please review Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet on Google. Click on images. Just go through the images. Understand what the market is doing when it's at a high or a low. Also, very important information, guys. Please review and study breakout retest strategy. When the market is at an area of resistance, meaning the roof, what happens when the market breaks? It's going to come back and return and do what? Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for your watching, and thank you for your attention. GBP, JPY.